totally lucky, by the way. Alright, so I'm back at Oyster Point. It's a little windier today. We'll see if we catch some halibut. I got some brined herring on the line on the bounce ball jig. Today I'm gonna try and just go to the channel markers and hopefully I'll get some bites, find some structure.
So my rudder was acting up and I was just trying to adjust it, not really concentrating on trolling here. Let me just pull it up, and then this is what happens.
Oh, I got one. He's 18 inches. Bye. Give a big thumbs up for that random catch. You know, some people won't admit it when sometimes they get lucky, but I'm gonna be straight up with you. That was just total luck, total luck.
Comment below if you've ever had a lucky catch.
Oh, I think I have something. Definitely something on. Brined herring and flasher combinations working really well. I've mainly caught the halibut by going with the tide, so not against it. And right now it's rising tide, going with the current.
I noticed my rod tip was acting kind of funny, so I reeled it up, and of course everything is tangled. So here's a pro tip: don't do it like I did and drop the bait straight down. You got to be pedaling as you're releasing the line to avoid these type of tangles. For more halibut fishing reports, you can follow me on Instagram at howtofish. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on my kayak journey.